for your upcoming examination. Let's begin. In this, your first question is: an individual who starts, creates and manages a new business can be called option A leader, option B, a manager, option C, a professional, option D, an entrepreneur. Right answer is option D, an entrepreneur. Next question: trademarks related to option A, practice and knowledge acquired through experience, option B, the protection of proprietary information of commercial value, option C, the right to reproduce one's own original work, option D, brand identity. Right answer is option D, brand identity. Next question: which could provide an individual with the motivation to start a new business venture? Option A, the financial rewards. Option B, a desire to be independent. Option C, risk taking. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question: which of the following factors should not be included in pastel analysis? Option A, government recycling policy. Option B, proposed reduction in interest rates. Option C, competitor activity. Option D, demographic change. Right answer is option C, competitor activity. Next question: which industry sector promotes small scale businesses and entrepreneurship and has lower barriers to market entry? Option A, service. Option B, manufacturing. Option C, distribution. Option D, agriculture. Right answer is option A, service. Next question: why are small businesses important to a country's economy? Option A, they give an outlet of entrepreneurs. Option B, they can provide specialist support to larger companies. Option C, they can be innovators of new products. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question: a business arrangement where one party allows another party to use a business name. Next question: a business arrangement where one party allows another party to use. Next question: a business arrangement where one party allows another party to use a business name and sell its product or service is known as option A cooperative. Option B, a franchise. Option C, an owner-manager business. Option D, a limited company. Right answer is option B, a franchise. Next question: which of the following is the reason for business failure? Option A, lack of market research. Option B, poor financial control. Option C, poor management. Option D, all of the above. Here right answer is option D, all of the above. Okay, so they all are the reason for business failure: lack of market research, poor financial control, poor management. Okay. Next question: the use of informal networks by entrepreneurs to gather information is known as option A, secondary research. Option B, entrepreneurial networking. Option C, informal parameters. Option D, marketing. Right answer is option B, entrepreneurial networking. Next question: good sources of information for an entrepreneur about competitors can be obtained from option A, websites. Option B, product information, leaflets. Option C, company reports and published account. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question: a new vendor's business plan is important because option A, it helps to persuade others to commit funding to the vendor. Option B, can help demonstrate the viability of the vendor. Option C, provides a guide for business activities by defining objectives. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question: primary data is option A, the most important data. Option B, the data that is collected first. Option C, new data is specifically collected for a project. Option D, data that is collected second. Right answer is option C, new data is specifically collected for a project. Next question: innovation can best be defined as option A, the generation of new ideas. Option B, the evolution of new ideas. Option C, the opposite of creativity. Option D, The successful exploitation of new ideas. Right answer is option D. The successful exploitation of new ideas. Next question. Which of these statements best describes the context for entrepreneurship? Option A. Entrepreneurship takes place in small businesses. Option B. Entrepreneurship takes place in large businesses. Option C. Entrepreneurship takes place in a wide variety of contexts. Option D. Entrepreneurship does not take place in social enterprises. Right answer is option C. Entrepreneurship takes place in a wide variety of contexts. Next question. Entrepreneurships are motivated by option A. Money. Option B. Personal values. Option C. Pull influences. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Next question. Which of the following are described as one of the big five personality traits? Option A. Tolerance of others. Option B. Need for achievement. Option C. Propensity to leadership. Option D. Locus of control. Right answer is option B. Need for achievement. Next question. Which of the following is least likely to influence the timing of new business words? Option A. Government policies. Option B. Profitability. Option C. Consumer expenditure. Option D. Weather conditions. Right answer is option D. Weather conditions. Next question. Which of the following statement is false? Option A. Market segmentation is a useful process for small businesses to undertake. Option B. Selling is essentially a matching process. Option C. A benefit is the value of a product feature to a customer. Option D. It is a good idea for small businesses to compete solely on price. Right answer is option D. It's a good idea for small businesses to compete solely on price. Next question. The purpose of all good small businesses strategy is option A. To increase turnover. Option B. To increase profitability. Option C. To achieve competitive advantage. Option D. To achieve stated objectives. The right answer is option D. To achieve stated objectives. Next question. Which of the following is a recognized disadvantage of setting up as a startups as compared with other routes to market entry? Option A. Less satisfaction of the owners. Option B. Less help from various agencies. Option C. There are more funds required. Option D. There is a high failure rate. Right answer is option D. There is a high failure rate. Next question. Someone legally appointed to resolve the financial difficulties of an insolvent firm is called option A. An administrator. Option B. A predator. Option C. An auditor. Option D. A turnaround consultant. Right answer here is option A. An administrator. Okay. Someone legally appointed to resolve the financial difficulties of an insolvent firm is called an administrator. Okay. Next question. Goods or services reach the marketplace through option A. Marketing channels. Option B. Multi-label permits. Option C. Monopolies. Option D. Multiplication. Right answer is option A. Marketing channels. Next question. To provide financial assistance to entrepreneurs, the government has set up a number of option A. Financial advisors. Option B. Financial intermediaries. Option C. Industrial estates. Option D. Financial institutions. Right answer is option D. Financial institution. Next question. State industrial corporations engage in the development of option A. Industrial estates. Option B. Institutional estates. Option C. Individual investors. Option D. Agricultural entrepreneurs. Right answer is option A. Industrial estates. Next question. Blank space is the first development bank of the country. Option A. ICICI. Option B. IDBI. Option C. SFC. Option D. IFCI. Right answer is option D. IFCI. Next question. IFC stands for option A. Industrial Financial Corporation of India. Option B. Institutional Financial Corporation of India. Option C. Industrial Funding Corporation of India. Option D, Indian Financial Corporation and Institution. Right answer is option A, Industrial Financial Corporation of India. Next question. IFCI has been converted into a option A, joint stock company, option B, cooperative society, option C, partnership firm, option D, sole proprietorship. Here right answer is option A, joint stock company. Next question. SIDBI was set up as a subsidiary of option A, IDBI, option B, IFCI, option C, ICICI, option D, SFC. Right answer is option A, IDBI. Next question. Which of the following is a function of SIDBI? Okay. Option A, extension of seed capital. Option B, discounting of bills. Option C, providing factoring services. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. SFC is prohibited from granting financial assistance to any company whose aggregate paid up capital exceed. Option A, 1 crore. Option B, 1.5 crores. Option C, 2 crores. Option D, 2.5 crores. Right answer is option A, 1 crore. Next question. SIP codes financial assistance is in the form of option A, term loan. Option B, seed capital scheme. Option C, underwriting the capital issues. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. The Business Development Department of SIP Code guides entrepreneurs in option A, applying for license. Option B, approval on collaboration. Option C, allocation of scarce raw materials. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. TIIC is sponsored by the option A, Government of Karnataka. Option B, Government of Andhra Pradesh. Option C, Government of Kerala. Option D, Government of Tamil Nadu. Right answer is option D, Government of Tamil Nadu. गाइस जो क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर हम इस वीडियो में कवर कर रहे हैं, ये क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आने के चांसेस हैं. सपोज आपके क्वेश्चन नहीं आते हैं तो इनसे रिलेटेड कुछ चेंजेस होके क्वेश्चन आएंगे, बट इट्स ए रेफरेंस फॉर यू कि किस टाइप से क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में आने वाले हैं. इसलिए प्लीज़ मैं आपसे यही कहूँगी प्लीज़ आप टॉपिक वाइज कवर कीजिए. एटलीस्ट शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर ईच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट से पढ़ के जाइए जो भी आपके फाइनल ईयर सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. आप ये मत सोचिए कि आप मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन कवर करके जा रहे हैं, ओनली आपने मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर किए हैं, पढ़े हैं अच्छे से, तो उनके बेसिस पर आपका एग्जाम अच्छा हो जाएगा. नहीं, जब तक आपको डेफिनेशंस नहीं पता होंगी अपने सब्जेक्ट की, आपके सब्जेक्ट के कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होंगे, तब तक आप अपना एग्जाम अच्छे से नहीं कर सकते. ओके गाइज, ये सारे क्वेश्चन एज ए रेफरेंस है आपके लिए. प्लीज फोकस ऑन इट. ओके, एंड फोकस ऑन ईच एंड every concept, every topic of your subject, please. Next question. In backward areas, terms, loans for expansions or setting up a new unit are available at option A, concessional terms, option B, differential terms, option C, standard terms, option D, specific terms. Right answer is option A, concessional terms. Next question. A commercial bankers would prefer a blank space debt equity ratio over the years as it indicates financial strength of a unit. Option A, declining. Option B, increasing. Option C, stable. Option D, fluctuating. Right answer is option A, declining. Okay, so a commercial bankers would prefer a declining debt equity ratio over the years as it indicates financial strength of a unit. Next question. EDP's course contains option A, journal introduction to entrepreneurs, option B, motivation training, option C, managerial skills, option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. Entrepreneurial Guidance Bureau's EGB was set up by option A, SISI, option B, SIFCOT, option C, IIC, option D, SITCO. Right answer is option C, IIC. Next question. Blank space can be defined as a specifically evolved work plan designed to achieve a specific objective within a specific period of time. Option A, idea generation, option B, opportunity scanning, option C, project, option D, a strategy. Right answer is option C, project. Next question. Large investment is made in fixed assets. The project will be termed as option A, capital intensive, option B, labor intensive, option C, product intensive, option D, market intensive. Right answer is option A, capital intensive. Next question. PERT stands for option A, program evaluation and research technique, option B, project evaluation and review technique, option C, program evaluation and review techniques, option D, project evaluation and research technique. Right answer is option C, project evaluation and review technique. Next question. Blank space is used to accomplish the project economically in the minimum available time with limited resources. Option A, project scheduling, option B, network analysis, option C, budget analysis, option D, critical planning. Right answer is option A, project scheduling is used to accomplish the project economically in the minimum available time with limited resources. Next question. Blank space is a form of financing especially for funding high technology, high risk and perceived high reward project. Option A, fixed capital, option B, current capital, option C, seed capital, option D, venture capital. Right answer is option D, venture capital. Next question. In blank space, machines and equipments are arranged in the order of sequence in which they are to be used for manufacturing the product. Option A, factory layout, option B, product layout, option C, process layout, option D, combined layout. Right answer is option B, product layout. Next question. The term blank space denotes bonus on financial aid which is given by a government to an industry to help it compete with other units. Option A, incentive, option B, subsidy, option C, bounty, option D, concession. Right answer is option C, bounty. Next question. He granting of cash subsidy on the capital investment is called option A, concessional finance, quantum of subsidy, option C, interest subsidy, option D, central investment subsidy. Right answer is option D, central investment subsidy. Next question. New small scale industries are exempted from the payment of income tax under section 80J is called option A, development rebate, option B, investment allowance, option C, rehabilitation allowance, option D, tax holiday. Right answer is option B, investment allowance. Okay. Next question. Blank space is primarily concerned with the identifications of the project demand, potential and the selection of the optimal technology. Option A, techno-economic analysis, option B, feasibility analysis, option C, input analysis, option D, financial analysis. Right answer is option A, techno-economic analysis. Next question. Blank space refers to some action which is a time consuming effort necessary to complete a specific event. Option A, a network, option B, an activity, option C, an event, option D, a node. Right answer is option A, an activity. Next question. Blank space is a graphical representation of the various activity and event relating to a project. Option A, network analysis, option B, scheduling technique, option C, logical model, option D, network diagram. Right answer is option D, network diagram. Next question. Activities which must be finished before a given event can occur are termed as option A, preceding activities, option B, succeeding activities, option C, concurrent activities, option D, dummy activities. Right answer is option A, preceding activities. Okay guys, now let's wind up this lecture. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching friends. Wish you very all the best for your examination. And guys, at last मैं आपको यही कहना चाहूँगी, आप जानते ही हैं जैसे कि एक न्यू पैटर्न अभी हाल ही में अराइज हुआ है. प्लीज़ आप अपने सब्जेक्ट के टॉपिक्स पर फोकस कीजिए. आप ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक एटलीस्ट डेफिनेशन उसका कंसेप्ट क्लियर कर लीजिए जिससे आपका एग्ज़ाम अच्छे से हो जाए। ओके गाइस, थैंक यू, बाय।